Black holes. You already have a picture in your head, a swirling drain in space, inhaling everything that drifts too close. A bottomless pit, a place where you'd be crushed to nothing the instant you touched it. Here's the problem. Almost all of that is wrong, and some of it is gloriously wrong. So today we're doing this properly. The biggest things nearly everyone gets wrong about black holes, and the stranger, more beautiful truth hiding underneath each one. Buckle up. Or don't. We'll get to whether that even helps. Myth number 1, and it's the big one. The black hole as a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Drift anywhere near the galaxy, and whoosh, gone. Here's the truth that breaks people's brains. A black hole's gravity is exactly as strong as whatever it formed from. Not one bit more. Replace our sun, right now, with a black hole of the exact same mass, and Earth would not get sucked in. It would keep orbiting on the exact same path it does today. It would get very dark and very cold, but gravitationally, nothing changes. The vacuum cleaner black hole is a myth. The sun isn't inhaling you right now either. Same energy. Myth 2, that a black hole is a bottomless hole, a funnel, a pit you fall down into. That funnel is one of the most successful lies in science class. It's a flat cartoon of curved space. Useful, but it is not the shape of the thing. A black hole is a sphere. The event horizon, the point of no return, is a spherical surface like an invisible planet made of nothing. There is no down. You can fall in from any direction at all. It's not a hole. It's a ball. A terrifying, invisible ball. Myth 3, that you'd be crushed the instant you touched one. The event horizon is not a wall. There's no line painted in space, no alarm, no bump. Fall through the horizon of a giant, supermassive black hole, and you would feel absolutely nothing. And here's the twist nobody expects. The bigger the black hole, the gentler the crossing. A monster 1 billion times the sun's mass, you'd cross it completely intact, blissfully unaware you'd just run out of future. The crushing, the famous spaghettification, comes much later, much deeper. And a small black hole would stretch you into a noodle long before you ever reach the edge. Bigger is safer. The one sentence that's only ever true for black holes. Here's a weird one. People picture falling in as a quick plunge, a few seconds, and you're gone. But to anyone watching from far away, you'd never quite fall in. As you near the edge, your clock runs slower and slower, and you'd appear to freeze, hovering at the horizon. Your light stretches, reddens, and fades to black. From the outside, you become a frozen, fading ghost. From your own seat, though, you sail straight through, no problem. 2 timelines, 1 fall. Relativity's idea of a group photo. Time travel, that's pure science fiction, right? Not quite. Get close to a black hole, and time itself slows down, for real. The stronger the gravity, the slower your clock ticks compared to everyone else's. Orbit close enough, and a single hour for you could be 7 years for the rest of the universe. Come back, and you've leapt into their future. A real, one-way time machine. Time travel exists. The catch, it's forwards only, and the parking is atrocious. Myth 4, that a black hole is just black, a void, nothing to see. The hole itself gives off no light, true, but black holes are wrapped in the most violent light shows in existence. Gas spiraling in piles up into an accretion disk, heated to millions of degrees, screaming in X-rays. Feeding black holes power quasars, the single brightest objects in the entire universe, outshining whole galaxies. And we're not guessing anymore. In 2019, we photographed the shadow of M87's black hole. In 2022, the one at the center of our own galaxy. We have the pictures. The brightest things in the universe are powered by the darkest. The cosmos loves irony. You'd think falling into a black hole would just look dark, nothing to see. The opposite. Gravity bends light so hard that the entire sky in front of you gets squeezed into a shrinking, glowing ring. You'd see the accretion disk wrapped above and below at once, and the whole universe behind you smeared into a bright halo, a view no one has ever survived to describe. Best seat in the universe. One show, no encore. Everyone knows space is silent. No air, no sound. So a black hole makes no noise, right? Wrong. In 2003, astronomers caught a black hole in the Perseus cluster singing, a pressure wave rippling out through the hot gas around it. An actual note. The pitch is a B flat, but 57 octaves below the lowest key on a piano, the deepest note in the known universe. You'll never hear it, but it is absolutely real. The universe's lowest bass drop held that note for 2 billion years. Myth 5, that gravity grabs the light and drags it to a crawl. Light never slows down, ever. It always travels at exactly the same speed. No exceptions, not even here. So what is actually happening? Near a black hole, space itself is flowing inward, and close enough in, it flows faster than light can swim back out. The light isn't slowed. The river it's riding on is just moving the wrong way. Cross the horizon, in every direction, every possible path, even for light, points inward. Light didn't lose the race. The finish line just left. Myth 6, that at the center sits a tiny, super dense dot. Physics solved. General relativity does predict a singularity, a point where space curves infinitely and density runs to infinity. But in physics, infinity is never an answer. It's the sound your equations make when they break. The singularity isn't something we understand. It's the exact spot where our best theory of gravity throws up its hands and quits. So the honest answer to what is at the center of a black hole is the most thrilling answer in all of science. Nobody knows. The center of a black hole is the universe's way of writing. TBD. Another myth, that every black hole is just a dead star's corpse. Stellar ones are. A giant star runs out of fuel and its core collapses. But the supermassive giants, millions to billions of times heavier, we still aren't sure how they grew so big, so fast, so early. And some might be primordial, born in the very first instant of the Big Bang, out of nothing but density. They could even be part of the dark matter holding galaxies together. Some black holes are older than the first star. Seniority, cosmic addition. So how do you actually make one? For a stellar black hole, you start with a giant, a star at least 20 times the sun. For millions of years it fuses elements, fighting gravity with outward pressure until the fuel runs out. In a single second, the core collapses, and the star detonates as a supernova, briefly outshining its entire galaxy. What's left of the core keeps falling, crushing past every known limit, until it vanishes behind a horizon. A star's death becomes a black hole's birth. Live fast, die bright. Leave a gravitationally inescapable corpse. And they are not all the same size, not even close. Stellar black holes are a few times the sun's mass. Supermassive ones, millions to billions. And in between, intermediate black holes, we're only just starting to find. The record holder? Ton 618, 66 billion times the mass of the sun. its event horizon could swallow our entire solar system many times over. It's so big the sun would be a rounding error. Don't take it personally. So if they're invisible, how do we even know black holes are out there? In 2015, we heard two of them collide. A billion light years away, two black holes spiraled together and merged, and the crash sent ripples through space-time itself. Those ripples, gravitational waves, stretched and squeezed the entire Earth by less than the width of a single proton, and a detector called LIGO felt it. We built an ear big enough to hear space-time ring. Casual. We treat black holes like anonymous voids, but some are celebrities with names and backstories. Cygnus X-1, the first one we ever found. It was so uncertain at the time that Stephen Hawking bet against its existence and happily lost. M87 star, the first one ever photographed. Sagittarius A star, the giant anchoring our own galaxy. And Gaia B H1, the closest known, just 1,500 light years away. Names, photos, fan clubs. Basically cosmic influencers. And they are not lonely voids, drifting alone in the dark. When two galaxies collide, their central black holes sink to the middle and begin a death spiral, circling closer and closer for millions of years. In about 4.5 billion years, our Milky Way will crash into Andromeda, and one day, their two giant black holes will merge into one, shaking space-time across the entire cosmos. Even black holes, eventually, settle down and move in together. Myth 7. That once a black hole forms, it's eternal. In 1974, Stephen Hawking dropped a bombshell. Black holes glow. Thanks to quantum weirdness at the horizon, they leak the faintest trickle of energy, Hawking radiation, and that means they slowly shrink. Over time, a black hole evaporates, glowing hotter as it gets smaller, until it vanishes in a final flash. For a big one, this takes around 10 to the 100 years, but absurdly long is not forever. Even black holes don't last forever. Honestly, relatable. One last thing nobody tells you. Black holes broke physics, and it still isn't fixed. Quantum mechanics says information can never be destroyed, but Hawking showed black holes evaporate, so what happens to everything that fell in? Does its information just vanish? If it does, quantum theory is wrong. If it doesn't, we don't know how it escapes. This is the information paradox, and the smartest physicists alive have argued over it for 50 years. Somewhere, a black hole is holding the universe's lost luggage. Nobody has the claim ticket. Myth 8. That black holes are freak rarities, lurking out in the deep dark. Our galaxy alone is estimated to hold around 100 million stellar black holes, the corpses of dead giant stars. And almost every large galaxy has a supermassive one anchoring its center. Ours is called Sagittarius A star, for a million times the mass of the Sun, 26,000 light years away, holding the Milky Way together right now. There's a 4 million sun black hole at the center of the galaxy you live in. Sleep tight. Myth 9. That black holes are pure destruction. They only consume. Here's the plot twist. Supermassive black holes help build their galaxies. As they feed, they blast out jets and radiation that heat and push gas across thousands of light years, throttling or sparking the birth of stars. And the numbers are uncanny. The mass of a galaxy's central black hole tracks the mass of the galaxy itself, as if the two grew up together, hand in hand. They aren't just destroyers, they're co-architects. Turns out the scariest thing in the galaxy is also, somehow, the landlord. Myth 10, that you fall in and pop out somewhere else. A tunnel, a wormhole, another universe. Oh, we wish. The math that turns a black hole into a wormhole needs it to be eternal, perfectly still, and traversable. And the instant anything real falls in, that bridge collapses faster than light could cross it. Spinning black holes get genuinely weirder, and there's a gorgeous rabbit hole there. We made a whole episode about wormholes, link below. But the black holes that actually exist? One way, no exit, no other side. If you were hoping it's a portal, see our last episode for the bad news, in glorious HD. So clear away the myths. No vacuum cleaner, no bottomless pit, no instant crushing, no invisible void, no tidy little dot, no eternity, no rarity, no secret exit. And what's left is stranger and more beautiful than any story we made up. A place where gravity folds space into a one-way sphere, where time itself stretches like taffy, where light runs out of directions, where the brightest fires in the cosmos are lit, and where our two greatest theories of reality meet and shatter. Black holes aren't the universe's villains. They're its edge, the exact place our understanding runs out. And the edge of what we know is the only place new physics has ever come from. So the next time someone tells you a black hole would suck you across the galaxy and crush you in an instant, you get to be insufferable about it. You're welcome. The real universe is almost always weirder than the story we tell about it. And honestly, that's the best news there is. If you want the wormhole rabbit hole, it's right there. Big questions. One clever fox. See you in the next one. Black holes. The universe's most misunderstood celebrities.